In this quick guide, you'll learn how to annotate PDF documents in Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're working on research, reviewing important documents, or simply organizing your notes, knowing how to annotate a PDF is incredibly useful. Adobe Acrobat offers a suite of tools that allow you to add comments, highlight text, and much more, making your documents interactive and easy to understand. Let's dive right in. First, let's start with one of the most versatile tools Adobe Acrobat offers, the speech bubble icon. You'll find this option in the annotation toolbar. By clicking this icon, you can drop a note anywhere on your PDF page. This feature is particularly handy when you want to jot down general thoughts or comments that aren't necessarily tied to specific text. For instance, if you're reviewing your findings in a microbiology report, you can use this tool to make a general observation about your results or to remind yourself of a point to discuss later. Simply click the icon, then click anywhere on the page to place your note, type in your comments, and that's it. Your thoughts are now saved directly within the document. Next, let's explore the text editing features, which include highlight, underline, and strike through. These tools are excellent for marking up text directly and can help emphasize key points, correct errors, or indicate changes. To use these features, first select the text you want to annotate. Once selected, a small toolbar should appear above the text, offering the options to highlight, underline, or strike through. Highlighting is a great way to draw attention to important information. For example, in a lengthy research paper, you might highlight the significant findings or key terms that are central to the paper's thesis. This makes it easy to locate and review these sections later. The underline tool functions similarly, but it's often used to indicate text that needs further emphasis or to draw attention to underused concepts that might be new or require further exploration. It's a subtle yet effective way to make text stand out without altering its appearance too drastically. Finally, the strike through tool is your go-to for marking text that is incorrect or outdated, signaling that it should be removed or revised. This is particularly useful during editing phases, allowing you to keep the original text visible while clearly indicating changes. Remember, all these annotations are non-destructive, meaning you can remove or edit them at any time without affecting the original text. This flexibility is one of the key advantages of using Adobe Acrobat for your PDF annotations. By utilizing these tools, you can transform a static PDF into a dynamic and interactive document. Whether you're collaborating with colleagues, sharing feedback, or organizing your thoughts, annotating in Adobe Acrobat helps streamline your workflow and enhances your productivity. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to annotate PDFs using Adobe Acrobat. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore each tool and see how it best fits your needs. Thanks for watching and happy annotating.